Good morning! EasyGas is the newest, safest, and lightest LPG in the Philippine market. It is the only explosion-proof LPG cylinder in the country. And we are proud to announce that EasyGas Los Baños, Laguna is now open. For free EasyGas LPG delivery and safety inspection, please dial the following numbers: 0915-419-3339, 0918-589-3339, or 0942-819-3339. EasyGas Los Baños branch is located at Jade Street, Barangay Batong Malaki, Los Baños, Laguna. Ang EasyGas ang pinakabago, pinakamaganda, pinakamagaan, pinaka-safe at hindi sumasabog na LPG sa Pilipinas. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Palitan na ang lumang bakal na tangke. Tumawag at magpa-deliver sa EasyGas Los Baños, Laguna. 0915-419-3339, 0918-589-3339, o di kaya naman sa 0942-819-3339. Ang EasyGas Los Baños branch ay matatagpuan sa Jade Street, Barangay Batong Malaki, Los Baños, Laguna. Maraming salamat po!